Hello everyone, I am Ritika Zuzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in my previous video we discussed about inventory control model, that is deterministic model and probabilistic model. So in this video we discuss about one example based on the deterministic and probabilistic model and the difference between this deterministic and probabilistic model. So first there is one example. Consider a very simple model of a cash machine. So customer arrives to use the machine every 2 minutes on the average. So customers take 2 minutes to use the machine on average. So what is the probability that a customer has to wait 3 minutes or more? So here the solution is, if we are considering the deterministic model. So this model of the situation just use the average gap between the customers and the average time of a uses and assumes these have no variations. So that is all the gaps are 2 minutes and all uses times are 2 minutes. Okay, so in the deterministic model we use the average gap between the two customers. Okay, first customers time is a 2 minute and after completion 2 minute the second customer has another 2 minutes. Okay, so this model assumes that someone arrives exactly every 2 minutes and uses the machine for exactly 2 minutes. So, in the deterministic model, there is a never any waiting time. A first customer is complete 2 minutes, then after completion of 2 minutes for the customer 1, the customer 2 get a 2 minute. Okay, so in this deterministic model, there is a no waiting time. So the distribution of waiting times is that all the waiting times are 0 minute. Okay. So in the deterministic model there is a no waiting time is present. So waiting time minute value is a 0 minute. Okay. So a simple probabilistic model. So in a probabilistic model of the same situation. Okay. So this same situation for the customer of cash machine is used in the probabilistic model. Okay, here we are considering one example for a deterministic model also and probabilistic model also. So this same situation is happen in the probabilistic model. So if you are considering this probabilistic model, the same situation might keep the time of use at the machine as a 2 minutes for each person, but it include the random arrival time. Okay, so there is a one condition in the probabilistic model. We are using the machine as a 2 minute for each person or each customer, but include the random arrival time. So one way to include the randomness in the model is to do a simulation. Okay, if you are adding the random values for the customer or a random time for the customer, so there is a simulation is used. So we can simulate 15 random arrival times in a 30-minute period. Okay, in the probabilistic model, we are considering the 15 random arrival times for the 30-minute period. For example, here 2, 4, 5, 5, 10, 11, 12, 15, 15, 16, 19, 20, 24, 29, 29, 29. So in this table, the customers are represented by the letters. So here customers are represented by the letters A to O. Okay, from A to O. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N and O. Okay, so arriving to either use the machine or wait until the machine is free. Okay, so here the machine is time for 2 minutes, then there is another time for the 2 minutes for machine A. B taken the time is 4 minutes, then B is taken for the time is 4 minutes. So C and D are in the waiting list Similarly, C is here for the 6-minute time, 7-minute time. D are in the waiting line. Similarly, D are here, E here. F is waiting for the next queue, then F, so on. Okay, so here in this table, the customers are represented by the letters A to O and arriving to either the machine or wait until the machine is free. Okay, so this is the concept of probabilistic model. But in a deterministic model, so how the simulation is taken here: 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is a simulation. Okay, so waiting time and machine, we have a simulation here. So for the deterministic model, the distribution of waiting times for the simulation is like this: for 0 time, first time, second time, third time and fourth time. So this example use just one small simulation. So in the probabilistic model, it can be based on the experimental distribution or a distribution models. But if you are considering the deterministic model, it can be relatively simple and it can be used when the random variation is not major influences on the situation. So if a random variations is a major component of the context, a probabilistic model may be needed to fit the purpose. So the deterministic model of expected travel time could be made using the scheduled train times. So this is the probabilistic and deterministic model example. So in the deterministic model, we are using average gap between the customers and the average time of a usage. But in the probabilistic model, we are using the machines as a 2 minute for each person, but include the random arrival times. Okay. So the next part is the difference between the deterministic and probabilistic model. What is the difference between deterministic and probabilistic model? So first difference is a deterministic situation is one in which the system parameters can be ascertained precisely. So this is known as the situation of things are sure to occur in the same way. But in a probabilistic model, the situation of uncertainty and more realistic. The second difference is the deterministic model does not include the elements of randomness. So every time you run the model with the same initial condition and we will get the same result in the deterministic model. So most simple mathematical models of everyday situations are deterministic. For example, the height in a meters or an apple dropped from a hot air balloon at 300 meter be modeled. So in the simple statistical statement, these do not mention or consider the variations. So it could be viewed as a deterministic model. So the example of deterministic models are linear regression type models are called as a deterministic model. So in the probabilistic model, it includes the elements of randomness. In the deterministic model, they are not included randomness, but in the probabilistic model, they include the elements of randomness. So here, every time we run the model and we are likely to get the different result. In the deterministic model, we get the same result, but in the probabilistic model, we get every time the different result. So even with the same initial condition, initial condition is same, but the result is different. So the probabilistic model is one which incorporates some aspect of a random variations. But in a deterministic model, we get the same situation and same result. And probabilistic model, we get the same situation but a different result. The next is a deterministic model of the situation, just uses the average gap between the customers and the average time of a uses. And in the probabilistic model of the situation, just uses the customers arriving to either use the machine or wait until the machine is free. And the last difference is the deterministic model can be relatively simple and can be used when the random variations is not a major influence on the situation being modeled. So if a random variations is a major component of the context, a probability model may be used. So, so here the probabilistic model can be based on the experimental distributions or a distribution model. So these are the difference between deterministic model and probabilistic model. Thank you.